You look so much better. What are you doing different? This is a common experience that people will have after they quit smoking. Someone will come up to them, someone who they know but they haven't seen in quite a while. Maybe a matter of weeks, maybe a matter of months, but people who they see after they quit smoking, and the person will look at them and say, wow, you look really good. What's different? They'll ask, did you change your hair? Did you lose weight? They won't be able to put their finger on it, but they'll say you look better. Now I want to point out, when this happens after you quit smoking, there's a real good chance that the person has basically not understood that you quit smoking, but is seeing one of the benefits that you may not yourself have realized. You look better after you quit smoking. A lot of people look a lot better after they quit smoking. Their skin gets a healthier color, a healthier glow. They reduce the wrinkling that was going on. There's some major improvements that people will get in their skin after quitting. And these are people who didn't even write off smoking as being, a problem of why they were looking older, but it was. Nicotine has the effect of its vasoconstriction action. It's affecting your whole skin. And this is reducing the amount of nutrients you're getting in your skin. It's reducing the amount of oxygen you're getting to your skin. Hey, you mix that in with carbon monoxide you're getting from smoking. Again, reducing the amount of oxygen you're getting to your skin. It's making you age faster. This is one of the problems people have from smoking. When I used to get people in clinics, it was interesting because I would get 20, 30, 40 people at a time sometimes, all quitting on the same day. And if you looked at that group the first day of the clinic, and you looked at that group at graduation day 2 weeks later, you could see a whole lot of people who looked healthier. They not only were they calmer, not only was there just a change in their demeanor, but there was a healthiness about them. Now, if I ever pointed it out to them, they wouldn't believe it. They would think, well, I was handing them a line, trying to encourage them to stay off of smoking. But where it became credible is how I started this. It's how people come up to you and say, wow, you look good, you look different. What did you change? And when you realize there was only one big thing that you changed, was you quit smoking, and all of a sudden, again, you could start to get a healthy glow. This is something that's going to improve your appearance for the rest of your life. Smoking was aging you. One of the things I suggest when people quit is to make a list of why they quit, but that list doesn't end the day you quit smoking. That is something that will get added on to. When you hear that comment, when you recognize it yourself that you're looking better, that needs to be thrown onto the list again. So when you do get thoughts, because thoughts come up, things will trigger responses. Gosh, it'd be nice to have a cigarette right now. Pull out that list. Look at your original reasons for quitting. And on the bottom of that list, you're going to see the addition that was put on is, you look younger now. Do you want to go back to looking older? That's one of the consequences. Do you want to go back to smelling like a cigarette? Because that one I can guarantee. You smell like a smoker once you take up smoking again. It permeates your clothing. It permeates your hair. This is part of the persona of being a smoker. Look at smoking in its entirety. Recognize these benefits when they occur. Acknowledge them. Remind yourself of them. And the more you remember on what you're like now compared to what you were like then, the more committed you're going to continue to stay. To stick to your commitment to never take another puff.